Today we're diving into a revolutionary topic that's reshaping one of the oldest industries in the world: artificial intelligence in construction. From design to execution, AI is transforming how we build our cities and infrastructure. Whether you're a contractor, engineer, or simply fascinated by technology, this video is for you. We're going to explore 13 groundbreaking ways AI is changing the construction industry. Let's get started. The first way AI is revolutionizing construction is through AI-powered design and planning. Traditionally, architects and engineers spent countless hours designing and planning projects. AI tools can now analyze vast amounts of data and generate optimal designs in a fraction of the time. These tools consider factors such as material efficiency, structural integrity, and cost effectiveness, leading to more accurate and sustainable designs. For instance, generative design algorithms can create thousands of design variations based on specific parameters, enabling architects to explore more options and make data-driven decisions. Next up, AI is transforming project management through predictive analytics. Managing construction projects involves juggling timelines, budgets, and resources. AI-powered predictive analytics can forecast potential delays, budget overruns, and other risks by analyzing historical data and real-time inputs. This allows project managers to proactively address issues before they escalate, leading to more efficient and on-time project completion. For example, AI can predict weather-related delays and suggest adjustments to the project schedule, ensuring that deadlines are met. One of the most exciting developments in construction is the use of autonomous equipment and robotics. AI-powered machines such as autonomous excavators and bricklaying robots are now capable of performing tasks with precision and efficiency, reducing the need for manual labor. These robots can work continuously without fatigue, leading to faster project completion. Additionally, AI enables these machines to adapt to changing conditions on the job site, such as avoiding obstacles or adjusting to new construction plans in real time. This not only speeds up construction but also enhances safety by minimizing human involvement in hazardous tasks. Safety is a top priority in construction, and AI is playing a crucial role in enhancing safety measures. AI technologies such as computer vision and machine learning are being used to monitor job sites in real time, identifying potential hazards and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. For example, AI-powered cameras can detect when workers are not wearing proper protective gear or are in unsafe zones, automatically alerting site managers to take corrective action. This proactive approach to safety can significantly reduce the number of accidents and injuries on construction sites. AI is also making waves in optimizing supply chain and logistics within the construction industry. Managing the supply chain in construction involves coordinating the delivery of materials, equipment, and labor to ensure that projects stay on track. AI algorithms can optimize this process by predicting demand, identifying the most efficient delivery routes, and automating inventory management. This ensures that the right materials arrive at the right time, minimizing delays and reducing costs. AI can also help in tracking and managing resources on site, ensuring that everything is used efficiently and nothing goes to waste. AI is influencing the development and use of smart building materials. Smart materials such as self-healing concrete and responsive glass are being integrated into construction projects thanks to AI. These materials can adapt to environmental changes, enhancing the durability and efficiency of buildings. For instance, AI can monitor the performance of these materials in real time, predicting when maintenance is needed or adjusting their properties to improve energy efficiency. This not only extends the lifespan of buildings but also reduces maintenance costs and environmental impact. Building Information Modeling (BIM) is getting a significant upgrade with the integration of AI. BIM is a digital representation of a building's physical and functional characteristics used throughout the construction process. AI enhances BIM by analyzing data from various sources to optimize designs, detect clashes, and simulate different construction scenarios. This leads to better planning, fewer errors, and more efficient use of resources. AI-powered BIM can also predict the impact of changes in design, materials, or timelines, allowing teams to make informed decisions that keep the project on track. So viewers, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please like, share and subscribe our channel now. Keeping track of a construction project's progress is now more efficient with real-time AI monitoring. AI-powered drones and sensors are being used to capture real-time data on construction sites, providing detailed insights into the progress of projects. This data is analyzed by AI algorithms to compare actual progress against project plans, identifying any discrepancies or delays. Real-time monitoring allows for immediate corrective actions, ensuring that projects stay on schedule and within budget. Additionally, this technology provides transparency to stakeholders, allowing them to track the progress of their investments. Quality control is critical in construction, and AI is helping to improve quality assurance process. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data from construction sites, such as material quality, workmanship, and adherence to design specifications, to detect issues that may compromise the quality of the final product. By identifying these issues early, AI allows for timely corrections, ensuring that the finished building meets all standards and requirements. This not only enhances the durability and safety of structures but also reduces the need for costly repairs and modifications later on. AI is playing a significant role in enhancing energy efficiency and sustainability in construction. AI can optimize building designs for energy efficiency, selecting materials and systems that reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. During construction, AI monitors energy use and waste production, suggesting adjustments to minimize resource consumption. Post-construction, AI systems can manage building operations, ensuring that energy usage is optimized for sustainability. This contributes to lower operational costs and supports the global shift towards greener construction practices. Managing a construction workforce is complex, but AI is making it easier through workforce management solutions. AI can analyze workforce data to optimize schedules, manage workloads, and ensure that the right skills are available when needed. This leads to more efficient use of labor, reducing downtime and improving productivity. AI also helps in predicting labor needs based on project timelines and can automate the assignment of tasks to ensure that every worker is utilized effectively. Moreover, AI can assist in training by identifying skills gaps and providing personalized training programs. Effective communication is crucial in construction, and AI is enhancing communication and collaboration. AI-driven communication tools facilitate better collaboration between teams, stakeholders, and clients. These tools can translate languages in real time, manage project documentation, and even predict communication breakdowns before they occur. AI can also automate routine communication tasks, such as sending updates or scheduling meetings, allowing teams to focus on more critical aspects of the project. Enhanced communication leads to fewer misunderstandings, more efficient workflows, and ultimately better project outcomes. Finally, let's look at the future trends of AI in the construction industry. The integration of AI in construction is just beginning. In the future, we can expect even more sophisticated AI tools that will further automate and optimize every aspect of construction, from design to demolition. Emerging trends include the use of AI for creating fully autonomous construction sites, predictive maintenance for smart cities, and the integration of AI with IoT, Internet of Things, to create more connected and responsive buildings. These advancements will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in construction, leading to smarter, safer, and more efficient building practices. And there you have it, folks. 13 ways AI is transforming the construction industry. As we've seen, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that's driving efficiency, safety, and innovation across the board. So, if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.